Get a free tanning tent when you complete 2 simple transactions. Go to the membership page and purchase the annual prepaid membership. The details are right here on the page. Click Sign Up Now for it to be added to your shopping cart. View cart and proceed to checkout. Complete this transaction. Come back to the home screen and now purchase your spray tan starter kit. Get the Starter Kit Pro and make sure to select the option that includes the tent. It even has a picture of it right on there. This will add all of the items that come with your kit into the cart. Go ahead and view the cart and you'll see that even your certification is included, as well as the tent and all of your starter kit items. Now go ahead and enter your coupon code and hit Apply Coupon. Coupon code was applied successfully and you can begin your checkout process. Simple and easy, get a free tent now.